My name is Alexis Pena. I attend El Paso Community College, and this is my video on volcanoes. So, why do we need volcanoes? Well, for starters, volcanoes help Earth in many different ways and in many different positive aspects. Volcanoes are not all that bad, although they are very dangerous and can be very harmful to others. They help Earth in many different ways, such as creating different islands, creating land, and also reducing pressure from Earth's interior. And it also has a lot to do with the atmosphere. So volcanoes actually help balance the temperature out inside of the Earth's interior by reducing the pressure and the heat. Although volcanoes help Earth thrive and they do have some positive aspects, volcanoes are very dangerous and harmful to us, to animals, and even to property. Volcanoes have killed millions of people because of the fires that are started, the ash flows, and even the gases that are released into the air that we inhale. When people look at volcanoes, they often think that there's only one type of volcano, but there are actually many types of volcanoes that are different. So our first type of volcano that we have is an active volcano. An active volcano is basically a volcano that is going to erupt soon or has already erupted. So our second type of volcano is a dormant volcano, and this is basically just a volcano that is sitting there waiting to erupt. Last but not least, we have our extinct volcano, and our extinct volcano is just a volcano that is sitting there that will never erupt again, but it has in the past. The main cause of a volcanic eruption is basically when the magma rises to the exterior and Earth is saying that it needs to release pressure and pushes up against the exterior and causes that eruption to happen. Like the picture, you can see how the magma is rising up and the exterior is opening up. So now that we know what causes a volcano to erupt, I'm going to explain the volcano types. So our first type is a shield volcano, and a shield volcano is your typical looking volcano that basically looks like a mountain. But a shield volcano is a volcano where the lava flows downwards and it has a dome in the middle. The second type of volcano is a caldera volcano, and a caldera volcano is a volcano that has a huge hole in the middle from when it erupted. So when the volcano erupted, part of it fell through and made a huge crater. So our third type of volcano is a composite volcano, and the easiest way to remember what a composite volcano is a volcano that has a very large and noticeable peak at the top of the volcano. And this type of volcano is actually unique because there's a lot of different rock and different materials that make up this volcano. Our fourth type of volcano is a cinder volcano, and this volcano, in my opinion, is probably the most dangerous type of volcano because of how aggressive the eruption is, because there's only one area that the explosion comes out from. We have our fissure volcano, and our fissure volcano is probably the easiest volcano to remember because a fissure is basically a line or a crack. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something different about volcanoes.